So whenever you're done with your day, if there's still a good amount of chemicals left, so if there's still enough in these to fill the bottom, then go ahead and leave them. Write a little note, post on the discussion board, post on Flipgrid, and just let your classmates know, hey, I poured chemicals and they're out here. These chemicals will be good for about 2 days, okay? So if you do it, let's say on a Sunday, post on the discussion board that day and say, hey, I left some trays of chemicals, and then people know if they come in here, they know how long they've been out. Now, if it's been more than 2 days, so let's say it's Wednesday of that week that you developed on Sunday, you need to dispose of the chemicals and wash the tubs. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your stop bath, pour it into your developer, so that it turns it purple. Take your developer, pour it into your stop bath. We're gonna move the fixture out of the way here. And then pour that out. I usually turn on, actually since we're washing prints right now, let's put it in here. Wash this with it. And then fixer, guess what? Gets poured back into our fixer container over here. Make sure you pour it into the right one. It's the far right. Just pour it in. Okay. Fixer's in there. And then you're gonna need to wash all of these with some soap and water, all right? If you come in and these are just sitting here and they're crusty or they've been here forever, please do me a huge favor and wash them. I don't care if somebody else made the mess. Be a good Samaritan in that case and just wash it. Right, so that's good. And then again, I'm being smart. I'm using the water that's just coming out of this naturally. Washing them, put in the trays here. If you come in and this is full, put the trays away too. That would also be really helpful. All right,